All right, welcome back. This is hole number 6. This is a par 5 Pro Division. We played this with the extra mile and a power 3 ball. You can use a Titan, you can use a Kingmaker. If you want to use a Kingmaker, it cuts down the wind a bit, but we got a tailwind here, so I find using one that doesn't cut the wind down will help you carry the ball further. So in this situation, I would prefer a Titan. So you can see how we're lining it up here. Blue is about halfway inside the rough. We'll go with about bottom of ball, almost bottom of target, about halfway. We great balled it, so we're still fine. You can mark down the yardage here. This way, if you use the same yardage every time for your second shot, you'll know if it's mid, medium, and you'll know how to play it. So it's 414 yards. Alright, here's shot number 2. We're going to go with a rough bump here. Goliath, it's got the most topspin. So, what are we doing here? My notes. I'm not very organized right now. I believe we're going with 6 topspin. Yeah. I haven't quite mastered this rough bump yet, but it's still early. Hopefully I can hone in on it. 6 top, 1 left, I believe I went here. And the ball guide is not very good with Goliath 7. It's better with the Goliath 8. So that's why I went short of the flag here with the ball guide. And I believe we played this at 0% elevation. And we're very close. Next time I might tweak that and line it up a little bit to the left of the flag. So yeah, I got written down here, if it lands 422 yards is what you really want to get your drive to be at, and then it'll be minimum distance for a Goliath. And I got written, the overpower just needs to be open. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I got for the notes for hole 6. So I'll see you on hole 7. Alright, we're back. This is hole number 7, par 4. We're going to play this shot safe to the left, full top, 4 bars to the right. I got written down here, if it's extra mile 8, play it at the 8-yard marker. And extra mile 7, you can play it at the 10-yard marker. And basically we're playing this at 10% elevation. Yeah, plus 10. Can't really go for the green with this shot, so there's not much more we can do with it. So we're just trying to hit it down here as far as we can, set ourselves up with a thorn shot, hopefully for the next one. So mark down the yardage if you want, 350 yards. Here's, well, I need to move this bubble a little bit up there. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, here's shot 2. Yeah, we went with a Hornet here. This is also played at plus 10 elevation. We're going to go with as much backspin as we can with the Hornet here. I got about 3.5 backspin. I don't believe I went any left spin on here. We're just going right at the flag. We're going to put that target on the fringe. And we'll see what happens here. You're trying to aim it before a glitch there. When you move the target around, you'll notice a little glitch, and you want to kind of let it sit before that. And we just miss it. So next time I might give it just a tick of right spin on here. Maybe to help that out, see what happens. Still go right at the flag, but have a little bit of, maybe a tick of right spin on it. We'll give that a shot next time we play that hole. So that's hole number 7. And here is hole 8. Excuse me, this is a par 3. We're going to play a navigator here. And we're going to have the target probably at the 7 o'clock marker, touching the rough. And we're going to go right at the flag. And we're going to play no spin on this whatsoever, no top spin, no side spin. And we're going to play this at 20% elevation. And I believe this was played at max distance. As I got written down here 20%. No spin, red touching it, but I'm not sure. I didn't mark down the distance here, but I'm pretty sure it's max. We played this at max distance. So I'll give that a shot. That's hole 8. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Alright, we're back for the final hole. This is a par 5. We're going to go with a Titan here. And we're playing this at 10% elevation. And we're going to go full top. At least a bar to the right. And we're going to line this up with the yellow target touching the rough. And we're going to adjust the wind here, I believe, at 10%. And then we're going to push back up to max. And then we're going to overpower this. About 3/4 to the bottom of that ring. Almost to the bottom of it. Hit perfect. Set us up nicely for the next shot here. You can mark down the yardage if you want, 418 yards. Alright, we're back. I got this marked down. I'm not sure if we went with a rough bump here. It looks like we did. I got the mark down here. Go minus 5% elevation if you're going to go with this rough bump. And we're going to go just a tick of backspin. 0.2 backspin. 0.25. Full right spin. And this, I believe, we played at max distance. So minus 5 elevation, rough bump. I'm not sure we got good results on this, so we may have to tweak it the next time around. We did hit perfect. Oh, actually, it wasn't too bad. With that type of shot, I would probably just give it a little bit more backspin, at least a half a bar. We only went 0.25 backspin, we didn't go enough. Next time I'd go at least a half a bar, maybe more. So good luck with your pro tournament there, and we'll catch you on the next one.